In this video, I was going to quickly show you how I made my French Cleat storage system. It's my preferred method of storing my tools. I've made several different versions of this, but this is probably my favorite so far. If you're not familiar with how a French Cleat system works, you usually have some type of plywood. You cut one side at a 45-degree angle, cut another piece at a 45-degree angle, and then they slide down on top of each other and lock. So it's very modular. You can move everything around, change all your attachments, change how you have it. So really quick on how I made it. It's not complicated to make. I used 3/4 inch plywood and a circular saw. First thing I did was set it at a 45-degree angle, make my first cut, set it at a 90-degree, make another cut, 45-degree, make another cut, 90-degree, make another cut, and you end with these staggered boards where you've got nice 45-degree angles on every board. So once you have your plywood cut, then you're just going to take your pieces. I mounted mine to a plywood wall that I had. So it's got about 12-inch spacing on them. And these, I cut these about 4 inches thick. So the way to mount these, have your angle facing up and away so that another angle can come down and slide on the back and catch. So that way you've got your angle going down like that, and it'll slide into that groove. So I cut my other boards to the length that I wanted. It's really just based on the size of my attachments. I got these attachments from Amazon. I'll also post a link in the description. These have been pretty handy. They're very sturdy. Don't worry about them holding up my tools. I used 3/4 inch screws to mount them on here, and these are very secure. So far so good. And they were not very expensive, maybe $20. So overall, it's a very versatile storage system. Again, it's very modular, so you can change it to how you like it. Everything is movable, adjustable. I think that's the biggest pro for me, at least.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.